was at the hospital for my second of 9 rounds of chemotherapy when a man entered the waiting room. It was COVID. He took a seat next to me, and we had a plastic partition separating us. He glanced over and said, "You look too young to be here," and he asked what kind of cancer I had. I explained that I had diffuse large B-cell lymphoma, and he got quiet, looked to the ground, and whispered, "Me too." I learned in that conversation that he had been in remission for 21 years, but his cancer just relapsed. Remission is a complicated word for us cancer survivors because it does represent hope and the possibility of a healthy future, but it also carries with it the possibility of heartache. That one day, 21 years from now, I'm living my life without thinking about cancer, and then boom, one day it returns. As a lymphoma survivor, that's what being in remission and contemplating the fear of relapse means to me.